All part of speech with examples. In simple terms, a part of speech is a category or type of word in a language. Words are organized into different categories based on their purpose or function in a sentence. These categories help us understand how words work together to form meaningful sentences. In English, there are 8 main parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Each part of speech has its own unique role and set of rules, and understanding them is important for learning how to use language correctly. The first is noun. A noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. It can be a subject or an object of a sentence, and it is typically accompanied by an article or an adjective that describes it. Examples include book, car, apple, house, idea, love, happiness, London, dog, and cat. Person noun. Mary is a great friend. Here, Mary is a noun. Place noun. I visited New York last summer. Here, New York is a place noun. Thing noun. The car is parked in the driveway. Here, car is a thing noun. Idea noun. Freedom is a cherished value. Here, freedom is an idea noun. Action noun. Running is good exercise. Here, running is an action noun. Quality noun. Her intelligence is impressive. Here, intelligence is a quality noun. Feeling noun. I felt joy at the news. Here, joy is a feeling noun. Collective noun. The team won the championship. Here, team is a collective noun. Abstract noun. Love is a powerful emotion. Here, love is an abstract noun. Material noun. The table is made of wood. Here, wood is a material noun. The second one is verbs. A verb is a word that expresses an action or a state of being. It is the essential part of a sentence or clause, and it can be modified by an adverb or other elements. Examples include run, jump, eat, write, think, is, are, was, were, am, be, do, and have. Action verbs. Example, run. She likes to run in the morning. State of being verbs. Example, is. The sky is blue. Helping verbs. Example, will. I will go to the store. Linking verbs. Example, seems. That seems like a good idea. Regular verbs. Example, walk. He walks to school every day. Irregular verbs. Example, go. She goes to the park often. Modal verbs. Example, can. I can play the piano. Transitive verbs. Example, bake. She bakes a cake for her friend. Intransitive verbs. Example, sleep. He sleeps on the couch. Phrasal verbs. Example, give up. She gave up smoking. These examples illustrate how verbs can be used in different contexts to express actions, states of being, and other concepts. The third one is adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun by indicating some quality or attribute. It provides additional information about the noun or pronoun. Examples include big, small, beautiful, ugly, fast, slow, intelligent, friendly, angry, and green. Certainly, here are examples of adjectives along with sentences that use them. Color adjective. Example, red. She wore a red dress. Size adjective. Example, small. The small dog barked. Age adjective. Example, old. The old man is wise. Shape adjective. Example, round. The round table was in the room. Origin adjective. Example, French. She cooked a French dish. Material adjective. Example, wooden. They built a wooden house. Purpose adjective. Example, writing. She bought a writing desk. Quality adjective. Example, beautiful. The beautiful garden is well maintained. Opinion adjective. Example, good. It's a good book. Size adjective. Example, large. Sentence. The large elephant was at the zoo. These examples demonstrate how adjectives can be used to describe different qualities of nouns in a sentence. The fourth one is adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb by indicating how, when, where, or to what extent something happens or is done. It often ends in ly and is used to provide additional information about the manner, time, place, or degree of an action or state. Examples include quickly, slowly, happily, sadly, loudly, softly, very, too, extremely, and quite. Certainly. Here are examples of adverbs along with sentences that use them. Manner adverb. Example: quickly. She ran quickly to catch the bus. Time adverb. Example: yesterday. I saw her yesterday. Place adverb. Example: there. Put the book there. Degree adverb. Example: very. She is very smart. Frequency adverb. Example: always. He always arrives early. Duration adverb. Example: long. We talked for a long time. Frequency adverb. Example: never. I never go to bed late. Purpose adverb. Example: to. He went to the store. Certainty adverb. Example: certainly. I will certainly try my best. Conjunction adverb. Example: however. However, the situation was different. These examples illustrate how adverbs can be used to provide additional information about an action, time, place, manner, degree, frequency, duration, purpose, certainty, or conjunction in a sentence. The fifth one is pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun in a sentence. It is used to avoid repetition and make the sentence less cumbersome. Examples include he, she, it, they, we, you, me, him, her, us, them, this, that, these, those, someone, anyone, everyone, anything, and everything. Certainly. Here are examples of pronouns along with sentences that use them. Personal pronouns. Example: he. He went to the store. Possessive pronouns. Example: his. The book is his. Reflexive pronouns. Example: himself. He did it himself. Demonstrative pronouns. Example: that. That is my car. Interrogative pronouns. Example: what? What is your name? Indefinite pronouns. Example: some. Some people like pizza. Reciprocal pronouns. Example: each other. They love each other. Relative pronouns. Example: who? The man who lives next door. Distributive pronouns. Example: each. Each of the students got a prize. Quantifier pronouns. Example: few. Few people were at the party. These examples illustrate how pronouns can be used to refer to a person or thing without specifying which one. The sixth one is preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. It indicates the position, direction, or time of something in relation to something else. Examples include in, on, under, above, below, before, after, between, among, against, near, far, with, without, about, for, to, from, over, around, through, across, and along. Certainly. Here are examples of prepositions along with sentences that use them. Position preposition. Example: on. The book is on the table. Direction preposition. Example: to. He went to the store. Time preposition. Example: before. He left before the party started. Location preposition. Example: in. She lives in the city. Purpose preposition. Example: for. She bought it for her friend. Agent preposition. Example: by. The book was written by the author. Manner preposition. Example: with. He wrote it with a pen. Degree preposition. Example: under. It's under the chair. Device preposition. Example: by. She communicates by email. Direction preposition. Example: towards. He walked towards the door. These examples illustrate how prepositions can be used to show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. The seventh one is conjunction. A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. It is used to join two or more elements and show the relationship between them. Examples include and, but, or, because, if, when, although, as, since, until, while, either, neither, nor, so, yet, not only, and but also. Certainly. Here are examples of conjunctions along with sentences that use them. Coordinating conjunctions. Example, and. She bought a book and a pen. Subordinating conjunctions. Example, although. Although it was raining, he went outside. Correlative conjunctions. Example. Neither nor. Neither the cat nor the dog liked the rain. Conjunctive adverbs. Example, however. She works hard, however, she doesn't get good grades. Time conjunctions. Example, before. She left before he arrived. Place conjunctions. Example, where. The place where they met was beautiful. Manner conjunctions. Example, as. As he walked, he sang. Reason conjunctions. Example, because. He didn't eat because he wasn't hungry. Condition conjunctions. Example, if. If it rains, we'll stay inside. Result conjunctions. Example, so. It rained, so we stayed inside. These examples illustrate how conjunctions can be used to connect words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence, as well as to express relationships between ideas. The eighth one is interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses a sudden emotion or feeling. It is used to convey surprise, joy, anger, excitement, or other emotions. Examples include wow, oh, oops, yikes, hooray, bravo, alas, ouch, ah, phew, huh, ugh, and you. Certainly. Here are examples of interjections along with sentences that use them. Greeting interjections. Example, hello. Hello, how are you? Exclamation interjections. Example, wow. Wow, that's amazing. Surprise interjections. Example, oh. Oh, I didn't expect that. Approval interjections. Example, bravo. Bravo, you did a great job. Pain interjections. Example, ouch. Ouch, that hurt. Pleasure interjections. Example, yay. Yay, we won the game. Disapproval interjections. Example, ugh. Ugh, that's gross. Attention interjections. Example, hey. Hey, look at this. Frustration interjections. Example, arg. Arg, I can't believe this. Hesitation interjections. Example, I'm not sure what to say. These examples illustrate how interjections can be used to express a range of emotions or reactions in a sentence. Hope you people understand it clearly. So please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting video.